Hey guys, it's me, Adele here. I just like to say this. I'm gonna talk about Power Jack 25 UTTP, the Animator Review Gamer channel rules. So before I do this, let's get started, okay? Here's my black ass rules. Dude, you wrote bad words. Oh no. Here are his channel rules. Number 1, no call outs loud. Dude, I don't even have to understand this, you moron. Number 2, no ignoring me. What? Are you serious right now, Power Jack 25 UTTP? Are you serious right now? That proves they cannot handle hate or take criticism. Number 3, no calling me a pedophile. Well, I'm pretty sure I'll deal with this user, okay? I want to call you anything you want. I can call you anything you want, Power Jack 25 UTTP. Number 4, start like a criminal users and others. It says start like a criminal users and others. What? No, I'm not gonna start like a bad users. Never. Number 5, start hating Sean DeVianda 2001 and Leif Altal. Dude, I will never start hating those users. I will never. It's okay, Sean and Leif. I will never going to hate you, okay? I still like you. Number 6, no giving me a hate base. What? What does that mean? I don't know how to say everything. Number 7, no calling me a black bitch. You wrote the B word, unacceptable. Number 8, no calling me bad users a black pussy. Only criminals can, but not good users. Oh my god, you wrote the P word. Oh my god. Number 9, don't force me to close my previous account. Well, people will do that. I will tell YouTube to close your YouTube account and shut down your YouTube account forever. Number 10, start ranting on school because the school is naughty, but a black bitch. You wrote the B word. You wrote the B word again. And I already read on school. I'm not doing that again. Number 11, no giving me community guidelines or copyright claim. Well, people will, because you will if you're still selling videos, you will get a copyright strike. And finally, number 12, do not make grounded videos out of me and criminal users. Well, I never make grounded video out Power Jack 95 UTTP. I never do those. Well, and Power Jack 25 UTTP, if you're watching this, I now hate you even more because of this. I hate you so much. I don't know how old are you because it's not on the description. That's all I have to say, guys. This is me. Peace out. Bye bye, guys.